Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my May Beauteque box. It's only one day out of the month, so that's what's up. Let's check it out. Ooh, magic, fairy tales, and fantasy. La la. Ooh la la. So some information here. I'm not going to look yet. We believe in unicorns. Dang it. Alright. Oh, so cute. I love this. I do actually use sleep mask kind of often because it gets light so, stays light so late. So that's really cute. Peeling care, deep and moist. Deep and moist. Pour on the body. Clean without peeling gel, moisturizing, cleansing. I think I have every freaking variety of this stuff. I have a lot of this stuff. For those of you who have seen my thing. Prime Luxury Gold. Highlighter Beam by Yuki. Urban Doll Kiss Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. Bye Bye Pimple Patch. These are great. The pimple patches are great. They really do work. They're basically just little colloidal bandages, which are amazing. Alright. You had, so Golden Cream, and I knew it. I got you Damn Yum Bit Prime Luxury Gold Lifting Cream, and I have like their snail cream, and I have their water drop cream. I've got every damn cream that you Damn Yum Bit makes, and they're too moisturizing me for me, so cool, but not exactly great for me. Maison Bye Bye Pimple Patch, which is awesome. I love these things, and I do use them. Yuki Professional Highlighter Beam. So that's cute. This is actually really cute. I think it would go with my skin. Just a little bit like straight down the bridge of my nose and on my eyebrows. Maybe on the big, like, you know, my chin so that the pointy part looks bigger instead of the round part. Su Ayon Deep and Moist Lavender Body Peeling Mist. Gently exfoliate to reveal softer skin with this body peeling mist. Ooh, I like that. It has lavender, rosemary, and aloe vera. Spray on skin, gently massage, rinse with warm waters. Pretty cool. Urban Doll Kiss Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. So these are always pretty cool. I gotta lie flat when I use them because they slide right off my face. What? And then Unicorn Eye Mask, because it's so dang cute. So this is Beauteque. If you guys have watched my recent videos, you know that I am trying to cut back on my beauty boxes because I am inundated with products. Beauteque is one of my favorites because it's always so off the wall. It's got the cutest stuff. And by and large, I end up using a lot of it just because it has so much variety. I actually use quite a bit of it. And I don't really get that many redundant products with this one because they are kind of like makeup and like, you know, just living items like this, and body items, hair items, makeup items, decorative items. Well, maybe not decorative. I guess I would say like the mask and the mitt. They're pretty cool. I like this box a lot. It's pretty cheap. It's like I want to say it's $25, somewhere around there. Maybe it's gone up to $27. But it's in the mid-20s somewhere. I'll leave it in the description box below. This is their May box. They're a very nice K-Beauty subscription. Tell me what you think about it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.